Hey guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can get any locations, people, email address, and with this method you will get million of email address within few hours. So let's get started. What you have to do, you just need to select your first of all let's go to google.com. then let's double quotation gym quotation and this is our keyword and targeted location and new work quotation and email only gmail.com linkedin.com. let's enter and we'll get a long list of people. Okay, you will see a huge list here. So we can get, you can see here is email, you will get a lot of email for free. Within this method you will get definitely huge number of email. You just need to validate and extract first, then you can use them. Okay, so what we have to do, we will expand this. Okay, isn't so we will select all with Ctrl A, then we will copy this, then we will search on Google for email extractor and we will click on this one, email extractor online tool. We will paste all the text and extract email. So here we have got 79 email address. Okay, so we have got 79 email address and we will copy them and we will find a sheet, Google sheet, then new sheet, and we will paste it on our new sheet so we can use it from here. So this email and paste, and this row is blank, so we'll delete it. Okay, now we can see here is all the email, and if we want to do another location, another city, Chicago, enter. Okay, so sorry, and we will get some data from here. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then click on here and extract. We have got 37 email again. Ctrl A, C, and we'll paste it from here. Okay, and you see we have got some huge number of emailers in some seconds. So this is how we can get a ton of million of email address in minutes. So in this video this is all, and if you have any question in your mind, feel free to ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.